Okay, first five, please, for both teams. First five for Saudi Arabia, number 6, Richard Esguerra. Number 19, Mark Santos. Number 7, Earl Gatdula. Number 3, Raymond Gordon. And number 10, Josh Lang for KFS Firefox. Number 12, Mark Lapini. Number 7, Jason Aquino. Number 11, Justin Derrick. Number 2, Robin Gautam. And number 18, Christoph Cabral. Hey, good luck guys. This is second game week 2 between Saudi Arabia. Okay. First possession belongs to Saudi Arabia. Santos, this is the last 2 balls for Mark Santos. Shot by Ricky on good rebound by Santos. Gatdula, that's the basket, welcome. Rebound by Aquino. Loses the ball for Santos. Gives it out to Gatdula. Pan with a runner. Uses the last 2 balls for Josh Lang. 4-0 start for Saudi Arabia. Napili, spins. Drop pass stolen by Gatdula. Forward pass to Steven Chan. Layup no good, rebound by Santos. Put back no good, rebound by Esguerra. Put back by Esguerra is good. 6-0 start for Saudi Arabia. Cabral. Spring by Lapini. Gives it out to Gautam. Cabral to Gautam. Spring by Cabral. Pass to Derrick. 5 seconds to shoot.
You lock the door there.
3 seconds violation committed by KFS. Too long inside the shooting lane. Turnover for KFS. Time with the ball. 6-0 in favor of Saudi Arabia. Esguerra. Guarded by Lapini.
Not a big one.
Pass to Gordon.
Not a big one.
Kicks it out to Tan. Tan to Esguerra. 5 seconds to shoot. Tan with a runner. Battered by Aquino. Doesn't matter. 2 points for Josh Tan. It's 8-0. It's 8-0 in favor of Saudi Arabia. Gautam driving baseline. Drop pass to Derrick. Elbow jumper. Too strong. Rebound by Esguerra. Esguerra to Gatdula. Time with the ball to Santos. Santos to 10. 9 seconds to shoot. Esguerra for 3. Now good rebound by Derrick. Derrick with the ball. Derrick attacks the basket. Oh good. Rebound by Esguerra. Sorry, missed by Derrick. Turnover by Esguerra. Stop stolen by Gautam. To Aquino. Cabral fakes. Moves closer. Drop pass to Aquino. Shot no good. Rebound by Esguerra. Esguerra. Pass to 10. To Santos. Santos for 3. Bang! 11-2. Timeout. KFS by the Firebacks. 11-2 is the score in favor of Saudi Arabia.
Yung mga dumadaan kasi naghihintay, huwag pa kaya natin nilak yun.
That's not our court though.
No, I mean, no, not the court, just the hallway here. Going to the lobby. Marami kasi naghintay doon, nakasara yung pinto.
Hey, let's go back to the ball. 11-0 start to Salvio Care. Down big is KFS. Kyle Cabral, tumutap. Driving baseline. Higher and counter na good. Rebound by Gula. Gagula to Tan. Gagula for Trey. Short. Rebound by Santos. Put back no good. Rebound by Gordon. Put back no good. Rebound rin by Gordon. Put back no good. Put back down. Who's foul left? Foul number 0, Kyle Cabral. Double foul. Hang on, ref. Who's foul? Double 0 or just 0? Kyle Cabral. First personal foul, first team foul. Fresh 14 for Salvio Care. Esquera to the Captain Santos. Miscommunication between Christos. Fakes. Closer, takes it out to Cabral. To Bogtan. Bogtan. Inside pass. Aquino in trouble. Aquino to Derrick. Sorry. Turnover for KFS. Substitution left for KFS. Bogtan out. Malik in. Aquino out. Duo in. Steal as the 11-0 score in favor of Salvio Care. Tan to Gagula. Gagula to Tan. Esquera, driving baseline. Spin, kicks it out to Tan. 6 seconds to shoot. Gagula, runner. No good. Rebound, Gustav Cabral. Cabral in trouble. Pass to Derrick. Tumalik. Cabral. Jumper no good. Rebound by Esquera. To Tan. Tan. Hang time. 2 points for Boston. The lead is 13. 13-0 start. Rough start for KFS. Tan. To Crystal. Go up with the ball. Reverse layup. Sabet. Possession. Ibaras to the ball. Esquera to Ibaras. Inahot to the ball. Pass to Ibaras. Ibaras. Pass to Santos. Santos spin. Jumper. In and out. Rebound. Last touch by Salvio Care. Possession. KFS. Christos Cabral. Derrick balik ke Esquera. Kyle Cabral. Snap pass to Duo. Charles Derrick finally for KFS. KFS is on the board now. But the lead is still 11. Esquera, hounded by Cabral, going out. Adrian in trouble, loses the ball, stolen by Cabral. Cabral, tumalik, Laia Mazal. Malinis na pagkaman for KFS. Esquera to Gordon. Gordon inside pass, deflected, stolen by Malik. Forward pass to the shooting guard. Cabral, corner Trey. No good. Rebound by Duo. Put up by Duo. No good for the Cabral. Foul on Salvio Care. 03. Foul on number 03, Raymond Gordon. First personal foul, first team foul. At the line to shoot for 2 free throws is Michael Duo. Chance for KFS to cut down the lead. First one for Duo is short. 34 seconds left in the first quarter. Zero on 2 for Duo, but rebound by Malik. Malik put back, blocked by Gordon. Offensive rebound by Zairib. Drop pass to Malik. Put back for Wood, but there's a foul. Foul on Salvio here. Number 8, Adrian Lino. First personal foul, second team foul. Dave Malik travels to the free throw line to shoot for 2 free throws. That's the end of the first quarter. Dave Malik will shoot 2 free throws. First one is short for Dave. No good in the first try. KFS down by 9. Zero out of 2 for Dave Malik. Official score 13 for Salvino Care, 4 for KFS Balikbayan Ducks. Okay, this is the second quarter possession KFS. Second quarter possession belongs to KFS Balikbayan Ducks. KFS Balikbayan Ducks down by 9 points. Cabral to Mapili. Mapili with the ball, guarded by Tan. To Gautao. To Duo. Duo. Pass to Mapili. Mapili kicks it out to Gautao. Corner tray. Short. Rebound. Ribales. Ribales to Esguerra. Pass to Sean. Tan with the ball. Tan to Esguerra. Esguerra guarded by Mapili. Esguerra, pass deflected. Recovered by Yandan. Yandan, blocked by Mapili. Foul KFS. Number 7, Jason Aquino. First personal foul on Jason Aquino. First team foul. Oh, sorry, second team foul on KFS. First free throw for Yandan is no good. One out of 2 for Yandan. Giving Salvio Care double second lead. 10-point lead to Salvio Care. Gautao. Drop pass to Mapili, back to Gautao. Gautao to the tray. Too strong, rebound by Aquino. That is a foul. Foul on Salvio Care, number 27. Concepcion, first personal foul. First team foul on Salvio Care. Sideline inbound for KFS. Aquino winning on the ball to Cabral. Gautao to Cabral. Cabral. Higher than floater, short rebound by Cabral. Put back by Cabral, no good, but there's a foul. Foul on Salvio Care. Number 0, Yandan. First personal foul. Second team foul. Carl Cabral travels to the free throw line. First one is no good for Cabral. Second one no good. Yanda na the ball. 10-point lead by Salvio Keo. Aquino, 1 minute for Mapili. Loses the ball, stolen by Mapili, but turnover for Mapili. Possession will remain with Salvio Keo. 6 minutes and 49. In the second quarter, Concepcion to Sierra. Ibanez to time, let it fly. For Trey, no good, give on Mapili. To Galtan. Galtan, layup, layup is good, Isabel. Foul on number 10, Josh Tan. First personal foul on Josh Tan. Third team foul on Salvio Keo. Chance for Robin Galtan to cut the lead to 7 with KFS. Next sublet. Bonus free throw no good. Rebound by Yandan. Esguera. Guarded by Galtan to Yandan. Yandan in trouble. Loses the ball. Stolen by Galtan. Galtan. Maria is there. Here comes KFS. Time out. Salvio Keo. Official score 14 for Salvio Keo, 8 for KFS. Okay, let's go back to the ball game. This is the second quarter. Second quarter, week 2 between Salvio Keo and KFS. Balikbayan Bucks. Send your Balikbayan Bucks to the Philippines. Gatdula to Tan. Stolen by Galtan. Galtan, the ball. Layup is good. Back-to-back turnovers for Salvio Keo, courtesy of Galtan. Gatdula to Esguera. Esguera back to Gatdula. Gatdula to Trey. No good. Rebound by Esguera back to Sasal. Foul on KFS. Number 0, holding foul on Carl Cabral. That's 2 on Cabral. 17 foul on KFS. Baseline inbound for Salvio Keo. Santos will inbound to Esguera. Esguera to Gatdula. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Gatdula, sorry, Esguera to Trey. Rebound Aquino. Foul on Salvio Keo, number 19. Mike Santos. First on Santos. Warning for penalty. Salvio Keo, warning for penalty. Jason Aquino winning the ball. Here comes KFS. 2 minutes and 57 in the second quarter. Carl, Dustin Belly, driving baseline. Blocked by Gordon. Rebound, Esguera. Esguera against Cabral. To Tan. Tan, highlighting floater. Esguera, goal, Josh Tan. Cabral. To Cristo. Cristo for Trey. Too strong rebound by Cabral. Cabral spin. Drop pass to Cabral. Shot for a good rebound by Cabral. Black face Gana. Back to the foul. Salvio Perez is the penalty. Foul number 19, Mark Santos. Second personal foul penalty. At the line is Cristo Cabral. First one for Cristo Cabral is good. Carrying the lead to 5. We're gonna draw the raffle for tonight. Second one is no good. Rebound by Aquino. One out of check to Cabral. Cabral grabs the basket. Turnover for KFS. Traveling violation committed by Christoph Cabral. Guerra to Gatdula. 5-point lead for Salvio Care. 1 minute and 9 seconds. In the second quarter, Gatdula against Gautam to Mark Santos. Good defense by KFS. Santos cut by Aquino. Rebound by Christoph. Gautam. Reverse line at level. Rebound by Carl. Carl. Drop pass to Gautam. Gautam slows down. Sets the offense for KFS. 4-3. Gautam no good. Rebound by Christoph. To Carl. Carl, left to layup, over the game. Rebound, last touch by Salvio Care. Possession will stay with KFS. 13 to shoot. 13 on the shot clock. Direct to Cristo. Left wide for Trey. No good. Rebound by Gautam. Offensive rebound is stealing Salvio Care. Cristo, shot no good. Rebound by Direct. Put back by Direct. Here comes Salvio Care. Down by 3. Sorry, but up by 3. Fan, that is a foul. Foul on KFS. Number 11. Justin Bailey. That's the end of the first set. First set. 13 fouls. We're gonna draw the raffle for our t-shirt and button. Again guys, we're gonna draw the raffle for the t-shirt and voucher. Those who have registered yet for the raffle, you can go to the There you go. So we're gonna draw the raffle for the t-shirt and meal voucher. Just look at the screen at the front. Number 22. So you can press again because number 22 is black. Number 34 still black. Number 36 is still black one. 39 is still black. 35? This is a player, NP. Players not allowed to join the raffle draw. Number 27, Hill Kelly. Who is Hill Kelly? Who is Hill Kelly, please? Hill Kelly won the t-shirt. Please. No. Player not allowed to join the raffle draw. Hill Kelly. Is that a player? No. Number 6. Per Fontanilla. Per Fontanilla, please approach the table. Ate Per Fontanilla, this is the rifle. Ate Fer Fontanilla, wala. Okay, one more. Number 21. Mr. Cabral, still a player. Players are not allowed to join the raffle goal. Number 23, Angela Fuente. Angela Fuente, please come forward. Wala din. Okay, again. 46. Wala. 16. Edmund Fuente. Wala din. Number 24, who is Kate? Kate C. Kate, who is Kate? Wala din. Okay, ayaw niyo manalo. Okay. Number 3, Dear Sulisa. This is the son of Dear Sulisa, I think. Real, nandito ka ba? Wala na din, okay. Number 5, Patrick Imam. This is a player. Players are not allowed to join the raffle entry. Number 10, Albicia Balbuena. Who's Balbuena? Please approach the table for the t-shirt and beer voucher. Again. Jaden. Let's go back to the ball game. This is the third quarter. Possession. Salvio Reyes. Concepcion, Tresguera. Sorry, Yandan Jose. Yandan, 3 points. Hal Cabral on the ball. To Dairit. Pass the ball, it takes. Disallowed. Travel in violation committed by by Malik. Malik turnover. Yandan, Tresguera. Salvio Pierre, up by 6. Yandan, Tresguera. Rebound, Duke. Michael Duke, hard to Mapili. Corner tray for Mapili. In and out. Rebound by Gordon. Esquera the ball. Guarded by Mapili. Esquera looking for a teammate to Yandan. Vivares, elbow jumper, no good. Rebound by Gordon. Put back is good for Raymond Gordon. The lead is back to 8. Cabral, spin by Dairit. To Mapili, jumper no good. Rebound Yandan. To Esquera, shot no good. Rebound by Concepcion looking for a teammate. To Esquera. 8 seconds to shoot. Yandan, elbow jumper, no good. Rebound by Cabral. Next, Sabret. There's a foul. Sabret. Vivares, first personal foul, first team foul. Direct out, Gautang in for TFS. Gordon out, Mark Santos in for Salvio Club. 8-point lead by Salvio Club. 7 minutes and 44 in the third quarter. Cabral, screen by Malik. To Gautang, let it fly for Trey short. Rebound by Aquino. Aquino to Gautang. Fakes, fadeaway jumper short. Rebound by Aquino to Malik. 6 seconds to shoot. Malik, 4 seconds to shoot. 1 second. Cabral, hindi ka ba sir, good. Ball hits the brace of the backboard. Possession from the O'Care. 7 minutes and 8 seconds in the third quarter. KFS down by 8. Vivares. Kuyandan, pinakating Esgara. Esgara, kiksa to Concepcion. Corner throw. Overshoots, rebound by Santos. Santos putak na good rebound by Cabral. Cabral attacks the basket. Left in area is good for Cabral. The latest of the 6. 6 minutes and 30 in the third quarter. Yandan na the ball to Esgara. Esgara to Yandan. Yandan Cabral sub. Foul on KFS. Number 7, Jason Aquino. That's 7 on Jason Aquino. First team foul on KFS. At the line to shoot 2 free throws is Ramnik Yandan. 6-point lead by Saudi Arabia. 5 minutes and 53 in the third quarter. First one is short for Yandan. Two out of 2 for Yandan. Rebound by Aquino. Mapili with the ball. Mapili to Presto. To Carl. Carl, top of the key tray. Uses the glass. 3 points for Carl Cabral. The lead is down to Trey. Esgara, guarded by Gautang to Concepcion. Concepcion, looking for a teammate. To Santos. Santos for Trey. Yes, sir. Mark Santos with the answer. Back to 6. The lead for Salvio K. Carl to Mapili. Gautang, closer is good for Gautang. Next subject. Vivares at the ball. Salvio K up by 4. Vivares, bounce pass is stolen by Gautang. Gautang, swinging to the basket. Here comes KFS. KFS only down by 2. Concepcion to Santos. Santos drop pass to Gordon. 10 seconds to shoot. Miscommunication between Gordon and Concepcion. Turnover to Salvio Care. Cabral to Gautam. Gautam left side to Trey. Bang! Tanin belongs now to KFS. Gatuno with the answer. 3 points for Earl Gatuno. Direct to Cabral, to Takati Aquino. Aquino to Direct, overshoot 3 by Direct. But there's a foul. Who's foul left? Foul on black, number 7. First personal foul, second team foul, foul on Gatuno. Cabral to Carl. Carl to Gautam, back to Carl. Carl, drop pass to Aquino. Aquino, pass, stolen by Gatuno. Gatuno, getting back to Tan. Jumper, no good. Rebound, Santos, put back by Santos. Plus a foul. 2 points by Mark Santos. Foul on number 11. Justin Derrick, second personal foul. Second team foul. Chance for Mark Santos for a triple play. Bonus free throw is good for Mark Santos. 5-point lead now for Salvio Care. Gautam to Cabral. Cabral. Drop pass to Cristo. Shot, no good. Rebound by Rich. What was the foul? Who's called it? Foul number 10, Josh Tan. Second personal foul on Josh Tan. Third team foul. Direct. Attacks the basket. Layup is short. Rebound by Concepcion. Shot clock is off. Tan. Drop pass to Santos. Layup no good. Rebound by Cabral. 8 seconds on the bench clock. Cabral. Left the layup is short. Rebound by Gatuno. 1 second. Gatuno. Hit the buzzer. No good. That's the end of the first half. Official score. 13 for Salvio Care, 25 for KFS. Okay, let's go back to the ball game. This is the last and final Castle, sorry. Saudi Nursing KFS balik line back. Fourth quarter possession belongs to KFS. Christoph to Gautang, fakes. Gautang with a runner. In and out. Rebound by David. Put back to good rebound by Gordon. Kay Albert Gula. Magdula bounce pass to Tan. Layup is good for left hand. Kaludi 7 for Saudi Arabia. Preston to Mapili. Let it fly for Trey. Overshoots. Rebound by Concepcion. Turnover for Josh Tan. Recovered by counter steal by Gordon. Concepcion for 3. No good. Tip it to Gordon. Good back no good. Rebound. Josh Tan. Batuna ng 2. In and out. Rebound Mapili. Mapili with the ball. Mapili to Gautang. To Preston. All around for Trey. No good. Rebound. Last touch by Saudi Arabia. Sabret. Possession will stay with Saudi Arabia. Christoph out. Carl Cabral in. Carl, corner Trey. Overshoot. Rebound by Hill. Adrian with the ball. Turnover for Saudi Arabia. Possession. JFS. Mapili with the ball. Carl. Driving baseline. To the elite. 14 seconds to shoot. Lead by duo. Direct loses the ball. Stolen by Magdula. Magdula. Blocked by the foul. But there's a foul. Sabret sub. Number 11 out. Foul on number Crystal Red. Number 0, Kyle Cabral. Third personal foul on Cabral. First team foul. Direct out. Malik in. Al Gatdula travels to the charity stripe to shoot for 2 free throws. First one is good for Al Gatdula. Two out of 2 for Al Gatdula. The lead is now 9 for Saudi Arabia. Gautang. Pass stolen by Boston. Tan behind the back pass to Concepcion. To Gatdula. 12 seconds to shoot. Gatdula. Ito yung foul. Sabret, sideline inbound for Saudi Arabia. Sub. Foul on number 2, blocking foul on Ruben Tom. First personal foul. 17 foul on Saudi Arabia. Fresh 14 for Saudi Arabia. Concepcion, corner 3, yes sir. 3 points for Jerome Concepcion. Carl attacks the basket. Left layup, no good. Rebound by Gatdula. Forward pass to Stephen Tan. Layup is good for Tan. The lead is now 14. Carl with the ball. Pass to Aquino. Aquino fakes. Shot no good, but the foul. Foul Saudi Arabia. Number 3, Raymond Gordon. Second personal foul, third personal foul. First one for Aquino Jose. Para naman sa team.
Malit! Switch! Malit kayo!
One out of two for Aquino Rivagasquera. Esguerra, screen by Gordon. Time with the ball. Concepcion again on three. Back-to-back three for Jerome Concepcion. Coming to 16. Cabral, step back two. Now good. Rebound. Esguerra, but there's a foul. Foul on number 7. Jason Aquino. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Gordon to Esguerra. Gordon, one-on-one with Aquino. To Tan. Gatula now with the ball. Gatula. Shot forward. Foul on KFS number 7, Jason Aquino. That's 4 on Aquino, fourth personal foul. One in. Gatula to shoot two people. First man for Gatula for him.
What time out kami after?
Pumasok bro, patay ko kayo. Ma'am, pag pumasok tayo.
Ay, wag na lang.
2 out of 2 for Gatula. We're approaching the 3 minutes mark of the fourth quarter. Malik, running back Concepcion. Malik, pass to Cabral. All alone for Trey. No good. Rebound by Malik. Malik, block pass to Aquino. Loses the ball. Rebound by Malik. Shot no good. Put back by Aquino. No good. Rebound by Gotham. To Crystal. Shot by Crystal as well. The lead is 16. 2 minutes and 37 in the last quarter. Foul on number 19, Dave Malik on KFS. Penalty, right penalty. First personal foul on Dave Malik, penalty. At the line, shooting 2 free throws is Richie Esguerra, last season's MVP. First one is good for Esguerra. Two out of 2 for Esguerra. 2 minutes and 31 in the last quarter. Cabral, left to layup. Too strong. Rebound by Gaetan. To Crystal. For Trey. Bang! 3 points for Crystal Cabral. The lead is 15. Esguerra with the ball. Founded by Cabral. Esguerra. Looking for a teammate. Esguerra at the 10. Loses the ball. Stolen by Gaetan. Gaetan with the ball. Last 2 minutes. Turnover by Gaetan. Counter steal by Concepcion. To Gordon. Loses the ball. Stolen by Aquino. To Malik. Malik. To Carl. Carl. To Gaetan. Corner Trey. Short. Rebound Esguerra. Then to Gatula. Bounce pass to Tan. Layup is good. 17-point lead for Saldivo. Carl to Trey. Good rebound. Esguerra. Esguerra. Guarded by Cabral. Esguerra. Spin. Shot. No good. Rebound by Carl. Carl Cabral with the ball. To the streaking Malik. Layup is good for Malik. The lead is 16. Tan with the ball. Gordon. Gordon. Shot battered by Aquino. Offensive rebound. Put back by Esguerra. It's good. That's a foul. Foul on number 7. That's 5 on Aquino. Aquino is fouled out of the game. 57.8 seconds remaining in the last quarter. 3-point play. Chance para 3-point play for Esguerra. Sabret. Sabret. Bonus paper is good for Reyes Guerra. The lead is 18. 55 remaining in the last quarter. Harl, driving baseline, layup is good. The lead is 16. Young done with the ball. To Adrian. Adrian loses the ball, stolen by Michael Duo. Harl, all alone. That's the layup is good. The lead is 14. 37.6 seconds. Santos. Shot. No good. Rebound by Duo. Michael Duo with the ball. Layup is short. Rebound is short. Shot clock is off. Esguerra to Adrian. Shot by Adrian. Adrian is good. Third game is ready. Legacy assist versus Silog. That's the end of the second game. Good game guys. Salvio Care prevails over KFS Balikbayan Ducks. 5 minutes warm up for third game. Silog versus Legacy assist.